Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi, Emma here and this is Isabella. Yes? We're going to make some... You're doing a funny face. We're going to make some Mother's Day crafts, cards and things that you can be doing with the little ones ready for Sunday. Just a couple of options. So I've got some cards and then I also thought...
Do a funny face.
Do a funny face. Then I also thought we could maybe make, it going a little bit old school. Yeah, a bit old school. So that means like when Mummy was at school. So it's like old school. It's not that long ago. I'm not that old. Thought we'd make some people call them fortune tellers. Other people call them cootie catchers, which I'm not sure. I've never heard that term before.
I've got this face.
Oh, that's a lovely face. So yeah, so we'll start off with one that we did a little bit earlier on with Hudson. So we made this. This is our first one here. So this one says, Grandma, I made you these flowers so you will always know I will love you forever no matter how much I grow. So all I did was draw the plant pot on, to pop in the little writing. Then I got him to do I did some of his handprints just on a plain bit of paper. Cut round them and then we stuck them down.
Hello, I want to speak now.
Just a second. We stuck them down and added some stems. I used paint sticks. So I used the paint sticks that we have in our shop. The little Brian ones to make the stems, but of course you can use felt tip, so you can use paint, just whatever you're comfortable.
We have paint here.
We do. So that's our first option.
I want to talk now.
Go on
so
then.
We've got purple paint,
Pink paint, yellow paint,
green paint, orange paint, red paint.
We have, and this is for Isabella because you're going to show us something, aren't we? So we cut Isabella's hand out earlier on with plain paper, didn't we?
Same size.
High five.
Look.
Careful. And then on the bottom of our card, I've written, Mummy, here is my hand for you to cherish, although it will always be yours to hold. So what we're going to do is, let me bring you over. So Isabella, on your bit of card, what we do is place the hand on it, and then Isabella is going to use our paint palette here to use her, listen please, to use her fingerprints. So you're going to get your twinkly fingers, use all your fingerprints, and you're going to dot all the way around your hand. And then when we pull your hand away, we should have lots of colour underneath, but your hand will be yellow. Let's go on then. You're going to start. Come on then. Go on, all the way, not on the hand, sweetheart. Around the outside. That's it. All the way around. Do you want Mummy to help a bit? Yeah, we'll help a little bit. So we need to hold the hand down. It probably would have been a bit better if we'd maybe just stuck it down.
I'm wiping it on the paper.
Okay, stuck it down with some masking tape. Wouldn't it, do you think, Bella?
I'm going to use orange now.
Go on then, use the orange. Go around the outside of your fingers. Around the outside of your fingers. That's it. Very good. There we go in. All the way around. So ideally what we want to do is we want to create an outline of the hand using our fingerprints. Very good. So going all the way around.
Wipe it again.
And then what would happen is when we lift our hand up,
Mummy, which colours make blue?
we would get
Mummy, which colours make
our handprint
blue?
on the card. So that's one option there that we've got. I'm going to write that on there. So do you want to continue doing that one? If I put your hand back in, you can do some more colours all the way around. Yeah? Right, so rub the paint into my hands so it doesn't get onto our fortune teller. Right, so what we need is, we need to start with an A4 piece of paper. And what you want to do is we want to fold. So I'm going to try and see if we can just move you down a little bit. That's a bit better. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold over. So the corner goes over. So we create a rectangular shape on there, and we've got a, triangular shape even. And then we've got a long rectangular on that side. And then we want to bring this corner over to create almost like a house and a roof. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this end off. Just grab my scissors and we're going to cut along the end. So then what we've got
We need to add a little bit more yellow.
will just be our triangular shape. Then we want to open up our shape again. So we've got this. And then you'll be able...
like green.
Quiet, please, darling. You'll be able to see the creases that we've got. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull our corners into the centre of our square shape. Okay? So we're going to pull them over.
I got it red. I got it red.
All the way over. So we're going to do each one.
Which colour will I make? Which colour? This is using all
Isabella's having a whale of a time here with the paints, aren't you, darling?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
trying to mix this all the colours.
So then we get our square shape with our triangular flaps. Then what you want to do is we want to turn it over so we've got our flat side, okay? And again, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the corners into the centre. So we're going to go over. Isabella actually had to make one of these, didn't you, for part of your homeschooling? Yes, it was all about empowerment, wasn't it? So we put lots of lovely, nice empowerment things in, like you've got this and you are beautiful. So that's another nice little idea. So when we've folded it over, what we want to do is we want to try and make the crease, okay, for when we do our little movement. So we need to fold over again that way. And then we want to fold over again this way to make our nice shape. And then you'll have 4 squares. And what we're going to do is manipulate your finger and your thumb. So your index finger and your thumb finger. I don't know why I said that like that. So we're going to pop them into there. And that will create... Tell you what, we'll use this one over here because I think I've done that one a little bit fast, so it hasn't quite worked out, but this is the one I made just before. So you manipulate your fingers in to create our fortune teller.
I make brown.
So obviously this one we're making for Mother's Day, okay? So what we've then done is using again our Little Brian paint sticks. I've painted each one of our squares a different colour. And then on the other side, we've got numbers 1 to 8. And then what would happen is your little one, or you could do it, or Daddy could do it for you. Oh,
I think it needs...
it's alive, this one. So we need to, it's alive.
Oh my
So
God.
there we have. So Isabella, if you pretend you're Mummy, okay, and you pick a colour, what colour would you like?
Blue.
Blue. So we go B-L-U-E. And then we've got our numbers. What number would you like? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again.
6.
Number 6 not there, darling. Number 8. So then we would flatten it out, pick up number 8, and it says, you read the best books. So inside what I did was I wrote 8 reasons why I love you, Mummy. And then round the outside we've got some little ideas. So I asked Isabella for some of hers, why she loves Mummy. We've got, you bake the best cakes, you make me smile, your hugs are the best. You kiss my ouches better. You're beautiful. You do funny dances. You read the best books. And you always play with me. So that's a really, really nice idea and really quite a nice keepsake as well for you to give a go for Mother's Day. So daddies, if you're listening out there, or grandmas or aunties or anything like that, mummies even, who might want to make them for grandmas, nanas, etc. That's a really, really nice one to try. So we've had... Oh, you're all right there.
I had the hiccups.
So you have the hiccups indeed. So yes, so we've had our idea of our flower card. Oh, she's off again. We've had our idea of where we've popped our hand on, and we've done our fingerprints around the outside to create the hand. And another one which I used also for Valentine's Day, which is a really nice one. It's just a handprint made into a strawberry, and then it says, "I love you strawberry much." So that's another nice little one as well. Really simple and really easy to do.
Strawberry much.
Strawberry much.
Strawberry.
Oh, she's got the hiccups. So yes, so just a quick little video. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and I hope you all give some of them a go. Don't forget to pop on to our online shop, because we've got all of the bits and bobs that you'll need. Like we've got fab paint sticks by Little Brian, and we've also got our canvas kits on there as well, which are really good. So yes, pop on, have a look, give these all a go. If you do give them a go, pop a post on #LittleLearners, and we'll be able to see them all. But other than that, we hope you all have a lovely Mother's Day on Sunday. I know it's a little bit different again this year, but hopefully next year we'll all be hugging our loved ones, and everything will hopefully be back to some form of normality. But other than that, have a lovely day, enjoy celebrating with your loved ones, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.